In this video, you will learn how to set up two small extra apps you need to run NP Retail on a Windows computer, Miner Tom and the hardware connector. You find links for downloading the two apps on the Roll Center NP Retail setup. First, set up Miner Tom. After the install, you'll see this page. Paste the URL for the Business Central environment and click on Cloud. Press Fetch Cloud Environments. If you haven't connected before, a login screen will appear. Save the settings, and you are ready to start the POS unit with the new sale action. Download the hardware connector to communicate with the printer from the POS unit. Click the Download Hardware Connector link. Once downloaded, press Install. Wait a bit and the icon will appear at the bottom line. Insert the hardware connector into Windows Startup to ensure it automatically starts on PC Restart.